What's up guys, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be unboxing the single monitor mount from Vivo. So before we dive in, as always, be sure that you guys leave a like on this video, and if you're new, don't be afraid to subscribe. Let's get it started.
Alright guys, so first we're going to get this box open. And these are all the parts that come inside the box. We got a lot of them. That's 4. That's 5. We got 6. We got 7. We got 8. We got 9. Luckily, we don't need those parts. These are the only parts that we're going to need to actually build the clamp the way we need to build it. So, hooray. Alright, so step 1, it says to install the clamp to the pole. Okay, we have our pole and our clamp. Our pole has 3 holes on it. We're going to take that and the clamp. We're going to put these 3 holes onto the 3 holes of the pole, like this. And then we're going to screw. It's very important that after you're done screwing, that you make sure that you tighten it. Next, we're going to take the soft pad and we're going to apply it to the clamp brace. To apply, all you have to do is remove the sticky part from the back. Then you just place it on the clamp brace in the right spot, and that's it. Next, we're going to take the actual clamp. We're going to align these 4 holes with the 4 holes on the clamp brace. Next, we're going to take these 2 screws and we're going to screw them into the 2nd and 4th hole on the clamp brace. So here's my desk currently, and this big old stand is taking up a lot of room and it needs to go. So that's exactly why I ended up buying the Vivo stand. But as you can see, my desk is not actually that messy, but it definitely could be clean. Alright, so we're finally ready to place the clamp on the desk. To do that, all you gotta do is loosen it up. Make sure you get the right width. Now we're ready to place the clamp on the desk, and once you find the position you want it in, you just tighten it, and that's it. Next, I'm gonna give it a little bit of tug just to make sure that everything is secured. Next, we have the mount arm. So to install the mount arm, all you have to do is just slide it onto the bracket and make sure that you put it at the height that you want it at. Once you have it at the right height, you just tighten with the included Allen wrench key. At this point, you should be bending the arm a little bit just to make sure that everything works and that it moves. Next, I'm going to install the wire clips for cable management to keep the wires out of the way. So I placed one at the bottom, and then I'm gonna place 2 on the arm. Alright, so I have my VESA mount and I'm ready to attach it to my monitor. And so to do that, I'm going to need my 4 screws that came with my monitor. And I'm going to need to place those screws into the 4 corners like how they were before, but I have to place the VESA mount onto the monitor and then screw them in. Okay, so next it says that we have to slide the monitor through this, and then we're gonna have to screw at the top. So it has to be put on this. Okay, so next you just pick your monitor up, you just place it down, make sure that everything locks in place right. Give it a little turn. Take the nut that it came with, make sure that you screw the nut on top. And there you go. So this is how my desk looked before. And this is how my desk looks now. Look how much cleaner my desk is without the stand than it was before. Look how much space I have to fit other stuff.
Alright guys, we reached the end of the video. I want to thank everybody for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys thought about the desk mount and what you think about my new setup. This is La. Thank you for tuning in. Till next time.